It's very unusual and also very generous of Vitra to allow me and Khushnu, my granddaughter, to come here, and that she has curated the show. Do it at the right place, with the right scale, in the way we wanted. And this show has so many things, my life is 60 years of work.
Designing it in Gary's building has been very intimidating and challenging. But I think what I was trying to do is respect his architecture and have a dialogue with it. And at the same time, also create a glimpse of the spatial experiences that one feels when one visits Doshi's works. So the narrative through this exhibition is not chronological, but is rather thematic. The main idea behind that being that there are common threads which go through all his projects. Also, it's about how glimpses open up. Like you were walking and by chance you encounter something while you walk down, and all of a sudden you turn and you see something else. So there's a little surprise which is very evident in his works.
This building has a very strong identity, and Doshi and his architecture too. You have someone to talk to. On one hand you have Balkrishna Doshi as an architect, on the other hand you have this building who has also an opinion. And in between these two opinions you can make something which is really unique, which is different.
My background has been very unusual. I was born in an extended family which was constantly modifying, living together, exchanging, expanding. So this whole notion of using same space in multiple ways was my learning. Architecture is not static. Architecture is dynamic. Architecture is fluid. Then we also talk about local materials, local conditions, local technologies, and then you look at the climate and economies, etc., and you put them together, and that is how really you create a habitat. If you don't understand the climate, if you don't understand the culture, if you don't understand the behavioral pattern of a gradually economically changing, growing society over a long period of time, then you don't understand what it is. An architect has to be socially, culturally oriented, and you must be humanist. Then only it is possible. I can't create paradise, but I can create a good life.